First, we have to do this division because when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first 10 divided by 2, which gives us 5. So 5 divided by 10 and divided by 2. Now we have to do this division. 5 divided by 10 can be written as 5 over 10. Then divided by 2. 5 divided by 10. Here we have 5 over 10. Okay? Now, let's simplify this fraction. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1 and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So 1 over 2 divided by 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which equals 1 over 2 times 2 gives us 4. So 1 over 4 or 0.25. And this is our final answer to this problem.